Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night tonight.